So it's a 2.5 horsepower Johnson from 19, I don't know what year it is. I tried to find the serial numbers on them one time to identify with them, but there's a small motors about that big, something like that, or they're I got about a whole bunch of those models of that kind. Some in the shed, and one of them catch on fire one time. Okay, okay. It's on. Well, this is the prize is the HD25 parts and stuff. This came from some of our old HD25 motorboats and stuff. So what I might do is restore them. This is a carburetor off one. I'm gonna sandblast it and stuff and clean it up and stuff. Yeah, I plan to get a sandblaster once I pay the bill off. But they're kind of the same a little bit. Yeah, they look like the same. Carburetor. This is the HD25 model. Here's the gas tank for this one's a little dented. I need to restore this one back to original condition and clean it up and stuff with a sandblast. Really grimy. Clean it up, sandblast it and stuff, and take this off and clean this up by sandblast all this off. Original spark plug wires on, just really dirty. Filthy and dirty. So they're pretty dirty. I'll show a close up. Let's see, okay, wait, pause. This is a project for a long time. I'm trying to get them done. My dad put one together and didn't work out right. So this is the motor probably right here he put together. I don't know how it's good. It's turned really well. It's got good compression. You can see it in there. It's good compression. This one, let's see. This is good compression. Let's see. Oh, this is frozen. Oh, I can't. This is frozen. One turns. This one turns. Let's see. Yeah, that one turns. So I'll make one probably if I can get the clean all this up, sandblast anyway. Sandblaster for it. And it's the next project. Try to get this one restored. Need some screws. I got some screws for them. So this I got the recoil for one of them. I have to pull the recoil. One good recoil for one of them, but I need a recoil spring. Get the recoils. I don't know. I have the recoil spring in one of them, but see, this is all. There's some more parts. Plate. Some screws. See right here. The magneto. It's for the HD25s. I'm going out to eat lunch and stuff. Anyways. That's a project I'm doing a long time. I want to try to get some parts for this one. So this is the engine I show you. It turns and stuff. Yeah. Probably can put some in here. This thing they turn right here. I don't know, it's frozen. I figure I can turn it. I can turn it. Wait a minute. So, seal. Some just move a little bit. There it goes. It's frozen. I can't get it to move. It's frozen. It's frozen. So I have to lubricate the cylinder probably. It's a small piston in there. Wait a minute. Well, this video's about this all. Wait a minute. Sorry. So this video is about this my HD 25 outboards and stuff anyways. So hope you can see me. So I'm trying to work on them anyways. I'm gonna have a look at this video, what it looks like anyways. Okay. Well, I gotta do something. I gotta mail some letter anyway. It's a busy day. So I'm making this video on the HD 25 anyways. I have other ones, other models are better shape than this one. This has to be sandblasted, so sandblast anyway. So I'll pay a bill off anyways. So I got any parts missing on this one. There's a few. So this one might be a good motor right here. Right here. I'm trying to figure out if there's any missing parts on this one. So there's this. Yeah, I may have to get one off of here. I don't know. I need some parts off of one of them just to try to get it going anyways. And still have to get a sandblaster. It needs to clean it up. So I'm just gonna take this, go up, and I'll be right back. What's that? Oh. So I need to use Bill Johnson again anyways, you know. This is a project for a long time. I just have this this motorboat in a shed in the basement. This shed down below, you know, in our backyard. So still doing this one. I pick out a couple parts for this one. Carburetor. So I put on this one probably. Got a sandblastic. It's got good compression. Good compression. I might have to take one part off another one to make a good one. Time being. This one, what's that? Some just dropped. Let's see what it is. I don't know, that was for something. So I can just put it in a part bed so I don't lose it. So I'm doing a video on this one anyways today. I have one good, this is the one I have to get some coils for it. And this goes right here. So that operates off the cam, the engine anyways. And this is really good. This is that one part excuse me, that I pick out is for the this one's not broken. I broke one off one of them. So I'm gonna sandblast and clean it up and stuff. Let's see. Well, I'll turn the camera this way more. Wait a minute. Pause it. So this one's is a what I find it here. So this goes like here. I'm gonna put it down. See it sticks in more. It looks pretty good shape. Not really much damage to it. Let's check it. It's not. The chip right there. Let's see that other one. Well, this one is that chip now. I don't know. Oh, it's not really. Let's see. Groove. Must be a groove in there. So I'll see if I can try to get it fitting in there. See, it all goes like that. So I'm going inside right now. I'll bring up another one this afternoon. So I'm going inside. I hope you can see me anyways. Oops. I'm just trying to. Try to get some stuff done. And this is a project I want to work on a long time anyways, so that I get to restore those HE25. I have them. I'm going to show this afternoon. I'm going to go in for a while and sleep and come back out again. A little tired right now. It was a busy morning. Anyways, so what I might try to do is try to take this one motor right here and this one put together. You can't really see it, but right here it goes like that. Oh, yeah. Oh, you can see right there. Oh, you can see it. So I'm gonna go in and show put the whole on the table anyways, and show the whole thing with literally what one of the right parts I'm gonna have it for it, and try to get it done. Sandblasted anyways. Cleaning up the sanding is too hard. This will take you like I don't know how many times to do it. Just have to clean everything up. The tank, whole bunch of different. It'd be better with a sandblaster. Have it, just a little thing I have. I don't have it yet, but I got my bill pay off. Not yet, but I mail it today. So I'll get that done. I'm going inside. Okay, so a second. Well, I've been thinking about it. This is the motorboat layout anyways a little bit. And that's quite on it, but this is the one that I start sandblast and clean it up a little bit anyways, trying to get it going. Be a lot of work still. This is really dirty, filthy. So all I might do is just sandblast it and clean it up. I don't have it yet, but so get it done. So this one is, I'm gonna put this one back in the shed. Another one I'm showing, it's a little different model anyways, but it's the same model anyways. Wait a minute. Yeah, this comes with this came off of the motorboat, the same motorboat. Just have to put it back together and clean it up because I want to clean it up, and I got the gas cover for it right here, cap for it. So this is that. So you got start get some parts for it and try to get it back together. Anyways, this is the HE25. The model number is on this side. I see HE25. So this is a pretty good shape. Different model numbers, probably serial number on it. We'll work on it. Oh. Here's a close-up of it. Anyways, exactly. This is a magneto plate for it, and here's the flywheel for it, and here's the engine for it. And see, all this is going together. This is HE25. And clean it up, gas tank right here, and all this just. And here's them. Yeah, so basically I have to clean up and stuff and sandblast it. So this is the next project. I might do that. So this is all the parts. This is the carburetor for it and all. Clean it up. Pretty good shape. So I'll pause it. I'm going down to get another one. Here's the one I have for a long time, the one right here. I acquired this a couple years ago. So this one needs to be sandblasted right here. Sandblast. It's pretty good shape. It's got good compression. It runs, but I don't want to get it running again. The problem is with those Johnsons anyways, they have like they throw the float sometimes. If the float panel is bent, they usually don't work right. So my dad tried to get parts for this, didn't work out. I know what it is exactly. No, the problem is, okay, wait a minute, I'll explain more. Here's some of the parts in the trailer anyways. Gas tank for one of them. Some of them. Here's the carburetor right here. See the carburetor right here. So you see it closer to the carburetor. Well, the problem is the float will go up. There's a thing that holds it down, the cover for it. If this thing is bent, usually it will cause this thing to leak and some of the float in that close right. So that could be my problem. So yeah, I'll turn the camera around with what one is for. So this one exactly is for this one right here. So you got this one right here. So that one right there. So that's the one for the one carburetor for that one. It's a they're 2.5 horsepower Johnson. 2.5. Yeah, this one's got tornado valve right down there. I sandblasted. We clean this one up too. So it needs a little work on it. Anyways, to get it done. So this is basically the same model a little bit. The same model. The same model. I'll show it closer. Johnson HD 25, 1950, probably 1946. I don't know the year of this one exactly. It's some identical parts on it. Looks like it. It's the same basically. If I get some parts for this one, I could probably get it running more. This one needs to be refinished with paint and stuff. I can spray paint that one green paint. That's come along and stuff. So this one needs to be green paint on it. So this one green, yeah, green paint on it. So this one needs some green paint on it. As you can see it right here. Green paint, green. So this is a propeller shot for it. See this where the water pump goes. The water pump. It's got kind of like a where I see the water pump. What it looks like. If I can get find something for it, what it looks like. HD. Here's the water pump. The water pump sits in there and it rotates. Goes like that. Probably the water pump sits in there more. So it goes on the motorboat like this. So I'm crippling the gas cans. Sandblast that one down, clean it up. So, yeah. Move the camera a little bit. I got all the parts down here. See all the parts. Gas tank, all the parts are down here a little bit, and there's all the parts with them. Some of them are in here. I just put some of the parts in there. There's a bunch of parts I got in here for other ones, flywheels for the same model. So this will take a long time. Oops. Do it. Here's a lineup of the motorboats I have. Actually, this is all HD parts. 8825 rear gas tanks. So all HD line up here from here on the other side of by my trimmer. This is all HD25 parts. So I got very HD25. So let's see what it looks like. Yeah, move it a little bit. This is all HD25. 1950, 46 probably. This is all HD in here, right here, and I'll line up right here. And this is a cover for this one right here. Yeah, I'll show that one. Let's take this one off. Wait a minute, I'll pause it. Well, 2008, and this motorboat catching fire on me. So, it's what happens exactly with the motorboats and stuff. I'll explain more. Little stuff probably. What happens stuff is with those motorboats, usually what happens, they start leaking gas from the carburetor. There's a manifold right here, it gets hot right here. So it gets hot. And then it goes on, the gas will get on and this thing start on fire. Usually sometime we pour gas, I pour gas in the gas tank and it got into, and in some way the engine was hot or a spark, started on fire and this thing. So beware of any gas going on here anyways. They can get hot right by here by the engine, and they can start on fire if they have a leak anyways, and make sure there's no leaks. This one's a project I'm restoring about a couple of years, and this is another one I'm restoring. I almost completed HD25. Oh, got poked right in the knee. So this is another HD25. Needs a little work on it, but I didn't get that done. I prime it. I have to get some green paint for it. I'm gonna get I got a paint gun for it. Let's see, right here. So I just spray paint it down, and this is really cool to have. So I got a lot of work on that one to do. Here's two of them. Oh. Two of them together. See, oops. They're both heavy and stuff. Yeah. They need a lot of work still to clean it up and stuff and get it going. There's a little dirt right here. I have to clean it up and make, when I spray that, I don't get any dirt on the paint. It'll clean it. This is in the shed for a long time. Well, I overhauled this one a long time ago. Oh, I'll show the parts of one of them. Well, here's some of the parts from the HD25, the one that I have, some of them. This is the Magneto plate. I can just see it, put it closer on the camera in place. Magneto plate, and right here, and all different kinds of different parts, flywheels. Some of the parts from this one, that one probably, and this is some of the flywheel from them. They go on top of here, right between here, like that. They go on the motor. The motor's right over here. Can't really see it, but here's the flywheel and the carburetor for one of them. That's that other one I'm spray painting. So this one needs a little work. I'm going to gather some of the parts up and make one complete it again. And here's the other one for the other one. I had to test the coils on there, see they're okay. anyways. Well, I'll end this video today anyways. I'm making a couple of mistakes today. I forgot to pause it. Yeah, I end the video today. I want to get some other stuff done today. I'm gonna edit some stuff in this video. Hope to be out next week. It's just one of those videos. It's really cool I'm making this video anyways. So I'll put this other one back in the shed and I'll probably end the video today. Yeah, today I'm doing a video still. My name is Bill Johnson anyways, again. So this video on restoring this old HD25, I got two of them on the table right now. On Tuesday, let's get a sandblaster coming in from Amazon, but I don't, UPS or something like that. But I don't know what day I'll sandblast them because it depends on the shipping. Coming on August 2nd. What that date is? Okay, I'll check out my iPhone. Let's see. August 2nd is a Tuesday, so yeah, today I'm doing a video still. My name is Bill Johnson anyways, again. So this video on restoring this old HD25, I got two of them on the table right now. On Tuesday, let's get a sandblaster coming in from Amazon, but I don't, UPS or something like that. But I don't know what day I'll sandblast them because it depends on the shipping. Coming on August 2nd. What that date is? Okay, I'll check out my iPhone. Let's see. August 2nd is a Tuesday, so it could be Wednesday or next week sometime. I started sandblasting, something like that. This is my oldest inline twins are right here, probably from the early 40s to the 50s and stuff. That's my oldest. I got probably about how many I got of twins and stuff, probably are identical twins of those, but they're not the same horsepower. I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 twins like this, 7 or 8 of them, I don't know. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6 of them. I might have more of them. I missed counting. So I got one in the shed. Is a 50-to-1 fuel mixer. Anyways, is a Everroot from Johnson. No, MC, not Johnson. MC Corporation. It's a late 70 model. I'm trying to think of the name. So yeah. This one is a lot different from same model almost, the same motor and stuff. See, they have a slow needle valve right here. The air intake right there. So slow. Fast is right here. It's got 2 spark plugs. This has got the J. Oh, errors. Where did I get it from? this is a J6J. So this is a J6J original marine spark plug. So this fits on this motor. About 30 gap probably. Yeah, 30 gap probably. Let me see this 30 gap. I'll test it once. Okay, wait, I'll pause it. So this is the tools I use for spark plug. These up are on. See, I got probably this one. Special tools I have. Let's see, a 30 gap. I got to see. So I might not see me. I'll see if I get close to the camera. Okay, see this 30 gap. 10. So the side probably. They're hard to see. Here it is. Exactly on the 30. So I gotta check the gap on this one, see it's right. Yeah, the right, you know, that in my I have an Outboard book tells me exactly what the antique one more. That guy named Pete over this, yeah, he should bring it out sometime. So it's hard to see. The 30 gap. So this is a J. Okay, oh, the camera not focusing into it. It's hard to see. It will not focus. It's a J6J. So we got another spark plug for. This is a let's see, AC Delco spark plug. I mean, it's really hard to see in the camera, but it's a M44G, a C, M44C marine spark plug. It's a cool color, AC Delco. I don't want to break this thing. So this is a fragile spark plug. 2 of them I got for this motor. So this is, okay, wait a minute, I'll pause it. I hope people like this video because it's pretty cool. I had interest in outboards since I was probably about, so you can see me, the age of 14 years old. Wait a minute, the camera. 14, no, 13 years old. 13 years old. That's back in '83. Really back in the '80s and stuff. Now I'm 52 years old. I was supposed to have a birthday party, not a birthday, but my I celebrate my birthday around September 5th. I was born in '69. I was born in a hospital called Miller Hospital in St. Paul, downtown St. Paul. The house was not there anymore, but it's close. I was looking out this one window when I had a colonoscopy a couple years ago. Yuck. That's gross. I don't want to talk about it. No, not as wait a minute. No, I don't want to talk about it. It's just gross. It's just gross. It's just really gross. So it's not a subject to talk about this thing. I have to turn my camera a little bit. Wait. Pause. Talk about it. It's too gross. Well, close-up shot of this one, so I'll bring it over there closer. So I'll get the other one. It's not going in. There it went. Got to be really careful with this one. So I'll put this down for a second and get it from my tray. I have a art tray. So, this is a the spark plug actually for this motor, so it's really cool. 1950 was my pastor's motor named Dick Carson. So here it is. You know, it is not only see. The sandblast is on Tuesday, and all now I'm trying to paint it green. So you got the yeah. Was that this was up by our cabin one time up by Maryfield, and it started leaking gas. And now it says more leaking, but I figure out what the problem is. So I'll show them my tray. Wait. So I'll pause. I'll put some stuff away. So just yeah, this is a part bin of mine that I owned for a couple years ago. Dad. Yeah, this is a part bin right here. See, all the parts that I use. Our spark plugs. We got more spark plugs in here. G86. One of the spark plugs I had. Yep. A lot of the parts in the bottom. I got. Yeah, it's built. I like the little things. The air compressor. It's really noisy. I'm not using it right now. My mom's sleeping. I don't want to do any loud stuff right now because it's a really loud air compressor. Really loud. This is crap. They don't build like something like this anymore. We probably got it in St. Paul. Probably. It's heavy. It's heavy too. Just move it back with it. Yep. Well, I'm going on to eat. Wait a minute. Sorry. Going in right now. Yep. Going in. Eat lunch. I just have a late video anyway. Sorry, I almost dropped something. Yeah. Nice day. Sunny outside. Yeah, look at this. I'll make the video camera and I'll face toward the top. This grass is really dry anyways. It's still damn dry. Our grass is really dry and I hope it gets, yeah, it's pretty dry. I just have a car go by and so I pick another one, you know. I want to use my stuff right now, okay? To pull this box out right here, my HD motor parts. Okay, we got right here. Gotta bring up another one. Pause it. I got a box on top. I'm gonna put something away right now. My this thing. You see that thing's everything in there. I must have I might just put it on the side and check out the spark plug. Put down here. Okay. Let's see how it looks. Yep. Oh, this is all the parts for this motorboat a little bit. So some of them right here. Show up a lot of parts. Parts and this is from the different one, but it's less. So right here I got the original from this other one that prime one. I prime. This is for the coil for it. I'll put it closer so you can see it. Just see a magneto plate on it. So this is a magneto plate right here for this Johnson. There's all the parts. I have it looks as off a little bit again. Damn. Try to focus in more. Sorry about that. Move the camera back. Hope we can see it better. Anyways, I'm still. Here's the magneto plate for this one, for that prime one. That one's one I primed anyways. So I got another one in here for the kind of want to sand it down. And this is for the other one. Hope you can see it. I'll show it closer, see how it goes in the view. See, this is for the other one. Oh, that one is all sanded and stuff. It's down there. I'll show what both of them looks like. Identical to parts and stuff. They are. What one belongs to the right one? So magneto plate, okay, is the other one is this belongs to this one right here, and the other one belongs to this one. So that's different from the other one. So this is look like all original almost. I gotta test this stuff, see it's okay, the wires and stuff from the coil. So I show both of them. This is for this one, and that is for the other one. For the green one with the house Santa. I take the paint off one, and this is for the other one. So yeah, I might just go down the shed. I have a sleep for a while before I go down the shed. What time is 21. Yeah, I don't have enough time. I'm gonna lay down. 2:21. What you see is two magneto plate. Sorry, sorry to pronounce magneto plate. So this one needs to be cleaned up and stuff. This one's got some fire extinguisher spray on it. Looks like it's a little corroded a little bit. I'm gonna clean it up in a little bit. Just like, let's see, I'll go closer anyways. Got in view a little bit anyways. So this one's from that HD the 1950, and this one from the early one. Probably, I don't know the year of it. I have to see what it is. This is, I know this is 1950 anyways, because it's this motor bolt right here. This whole, it doesn't melt anything. It doesn't do any damage. But this one, the green one with all sanded down a little bit is catch on fire. I'll show what it looks like. So this is for the one is prime, and this is for the one that's not prime. So what is really, I gotta pick it up. I have this one is, the one is catch on fire. So this is for this one right here. And this is for the other one right here, the one down on the cardboard. So okay, I'll show what I wonder if the gas is in the thing. advantage. AC Delco spark plug. Cool. Well, let's see this gap is on it. So I got it at probably 30 gap, probably. It could be 30. Wait a minute. Okay, I can see I got better gap tester. This is the other side. That's hard to see. Man, I can't really see. Wait a minute, right here. Yeah, right here. You know what? I'll see. Oh man, I'm gonna move this thing. And the next one. Yep. See, I got it. It's hard to see because I can't unfocus in more. I'm not gonna really show it anyways. I got on the gap tester. 30 gap. Put a 30 gap on that test, and the points are 20 on that probably. See that one there? Okay, I'll put this back. I don't want to break it anyways. Oh, I'm breaking it. So the points could be on this motor right here. Could be 20. So you can't do unless you're. Can't do it when you're probably in the motor more, when you get it back together and clean it up and stuff. I got a little time. I can go down and get another one for after lunch because, boy, I'll just quit. Well, I'm going down below. Found a little shed and pause it. Well, I got some little parts in there. Some other one. This is I'll just put that thing a little bit down. So wrap it a little bit. Okay. Oh, I got parts. Oh, there anyways. There's parts. Wait a minute, go to the camera. See right here. All the parts, I'll show them later what they do. Some of them again. I'm going inside. Well, I'm going inside right now to lay down. I'm a little tired anyway. Oh. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. I'm going in to lay down. Anyways. Take the key out the tractor. Garage. And going inside. Well, I might end the shop today a little bit, but I still gotta do some stuff anyways. I might show you some stuff and probably might end it pretty soon or whatever I do it. Yep, over there. Man, this one's not right. I still might end this video sometime. I'm just gonna go in for a while. Go in for today. I'm done with the video. Unless it's getting too long and stuff, so I might end it. So this is some of the motorboats I have. I'm restoring the HA25. So I'm gonna end it today a little bit. I gotta clean up. I want to go inside anyways, and this is getting pretty long. So I gotta show you. Put some motorbolts away and show them for a second. So I'll end it. Not yet, but pretty soon. I'll end it. Not yet, but let's see. Right to the side. This is some of the parts from the motorboat and stuff. So the HC25, they're all HC25 mostly, hopefully. So yeah, HD25 parts and stuff. I got the flywheel for some cleaning up. I might sandblast them. One good one. I'm gonna put away right there. And here's the engine part of them. Right there, the engine for one. And I'm going to put away right now. I'm just going to go down and quit right now. So I'm going to put them away. So I'm going to put all of them away and go and quit for the day. It's getting late in the day. I want to do some stuff inside. So, put them away. I'm going to quit. Put this one away. I'm just going to quit today. Half of this. This is the so quick way clean up. It's not oily, it's greasy. Yeah. So I got it all in the box, and this is all the parts I got. So all the parts are right here. Ouch. See all the parts on there, so I put all this away. It's gonna be busy. It's all the parts right here, along here. See, I got all. I had that yesterday, like that yesterday. So I'm gonna clean up, go down the shed and stuff. Well, I might end the video today. My name is Bill Johnson. You can subscribe anyways. Yeah, that's pretty good. This is a good video and stuff I make on this motorboat. It's really, really cool scene. Yeah, I'm done already. I'm just a little tired. I want to go in again. Not only hot today, but it's a Sunday. Never do videos on Sundays usually. But I want to get it done today. I'm done already. See you later. Signing off.